Good morning children. Today we'll learn comparing and ordering 5-digit numbers. Today we'll learn how to compare 5-digit numbers and ordering 5-digit numbers. How you compare the numbers children? We compare the numbers as greater, smaller and equal. This is the greater sign, this is lesser sign and this is equal sign. Yes, if the numbers are equal, then we put this equal sign. Yes, and ordering numbers means there are two orders. First is ascending order and the second one is descending order. Children, in 4th standard we have learned comparing and ordering of 4-digit numbers. In the same way, today we'll learn comparing and ordering 5-digit numbers. Arranging the numbers from small to big is called ascending order, and arranging a number from big to small is called descending order. Let's start with the comparing of 5-digit numbers. We'll see few examples. I'll write a 5-digit number. These are ones period numbers and these both are 1000 period numbers. Here also ones period numbers are these three and these are 1000 period numbers. Okay, let's read the numbers first. 82,326. Yes, 82,326 and this is 86,496. And children, now while comparing the numbers of 4-digit, which numbers you use to compare first? The number which is in 1000 place. Yes, if you want to compare the numbers, children, we have learned to compare 4-digit numbers. Yes, let's see the example of 4-digit number. See, this is 48. Okay, and this is 5956. Okay, which numbers we need to compare first? The number which is in 1000 place. We used to compare the numbers which are in 1000 place first. Then if the numbers in the 1000 place are same, then the numbers in the 100 place. Yes, and if in 1000 place also the numbers are same and 100 place numbers are same, then what we should do? We have to compare the numbers which is in tens place. And if in tens place also the numbers are same, then what we have to do? We have to compare the numbers in the ones place. Yes, this we have learned last year. In the same way, we'll learn today how to compare 5-digit numbers. Okay, see, this is 82,326 and this is 86,496. Okay, here in the 5-digit numbers, which numbers we need to compare first? We need to compare the number which is in 10,000 place. Which number is in 10,000 place here? 8. Yes, this 6 is ones place, this is tens, this is 100 place, this is 1000 place and this is 10,000 place. Correct? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000. In 5-digit numbers, while comparing 5-digit numbers, we should compare the number which are in 10,000 place. Yes, here in 10,000 place, both the numbers are same. Both the side 8 are there. So, if in 10,000 place the numbers are same, then we have to compare the numbers which are in 1000 place. Okay, if in the 1000 place the numbers are same, then we have to compare the numbers which are in 100 place, and if in the 100 place also numbers are same, then tens place, then ones place. Here first we need to compare the number in 10,000 place. Then if the numbers are same, then 1000 place numbers we should compare, and if the numbers are in 1000 place also same, then 100 place number. Yes, then tens and last ones. If all the numbers are same in ones place also, then we should put a equal sign. We have to understand both the numbers are equal and we have to put the equal sign. Now here in this example, here 10,000 place numbers are same, but 1000 place numbers are different. Yes, this is 2 and this is 6. Now 2 is smaller than 6. 6 is greater than 2. Yes, 6 is bigger number. So this number is greater. Now this number is greater and this is smaller. By this we should understand that this number is 86,496 is greater than 82,326. Now which sign we have to put here? We have to put the lesser sign. If the mouth open towards a number, then we should understand that this number is greater. If it open towards this number, then this number is greater, like this. But this is a smaller sign, lesser sign, okay? And this is greater sign and this one is equal sign. Let's see one more example. See, for example, 98,026. Okay, 98,026 and 98,133. Okay, 98,026 and 98,133. Now we'll compare this number. First, which number we have to compare? The number which is in 10,000 place. Yes, in 10,000 place, here 9 is there, here also 9 is there. Both the numbers are same. Yes, we cannot compare the numbers. Then we have to compare the number which is in 1000 place. In 1000 place, here 8 is there and here also 8 is there. Here also both the numbers are same. If both the numbers are same in 10,000 and 1000 place, then which number we have to compare? We have to compare the number in 100 place. Here 0 is there and here 1 is there. Which is greater? 1 is greater. 1 is bigger than 0. So this number is greater now. By this we have to understand this number is greater and this is smaller. So which sign you are going to put? Lesser. This number is great, so open its mouth towards this number. Okay, let's see the exercise now from textbook. See the exercise. Insert greater or lesser sign. Lesser or greater sign. Okay, first one is, read the number. These are 1000 period numbers and these are ones period number. We have to read these two together. 18,732 and 42,642. Yes. Now which number we have to compare first? The number in 10,000 place. Here the numbers are different. Yes, here 1 is there and here 4 is there. Which is greater, children? 4 is greater. So this number is greater and this is smaller. So which sign you have to put? We have to put this lesser sign, like this. We have to open the sign mouth towards the greater number. Okay. Now you will compare these two numbers and you will send me. Now we'll see the ascending and descending order of numbers. Ascending order means what, children? Ascending order means arranging the number from small to big. Arranging the number from small to big is called ascending order, and arranging the number from big to small, reverse of this, big to small, we call as descending order. Okay, let's see few examples of ascending and descending order of 5-digit numbers. Let's see the example for ascending order. Ascending order. Ascending order means arranging number from small to big. Okay, I'll take the example here. 48,431, 51,971, then 49,566, then last one I'll take 50,870. Okay, now we'll arrange these numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means first we'll write the smallest number, then the second smallest, then the third smallest and the greatest number. Let's see which is smallest now by comparing the numbers here. First we need to compare the numbers which are in 10,000 place here. Here 4 is there. Here in this number 5 is there. Here in 10,000 place 4 and here also 5. These two numbers are small. Yes, 5 is bigger than 4. First we'll compare these two numbers now. Okay, because 4 is smaller than 5. Yes, 4 is smaller than 5. So these two numbers will compare first, then these two numbers. Okay, this is 48,431. This is 49,566. Here in 10,000 place both the numbers are 4. Now which number we will compare? We will compare the numbers in 1000 place. Here 8 is there and here 9 is there. Which number is greater? 9 is greater than 8. Which is small number? 8 is small. So this number is smallest among all these numbers. And the second smallest is this one. 48,431 is smallest and the second smallest is 49,566. Okay, now we'll compare the number third smallest and the greatest number. Here in these two numbers 10,000 place numbers are same. Now we'll compare the numbers in 1000 place. Here in 1000 place 1 is there and here 0 is there. Which is greater? 1 is greater. 0 is smaller than 1. So this number is third smallest number and this number is biggest number among all four numbers. So let's write this number now. Let's write the answer. First number is smallest is 48,431. Yes. Then second smallest is 49,566. Then third smallest is 50,870. Then biggest number is 51,971. Okay, this is the ascending order of 5-digit number. Descending order means descending order. Descending order means arranging number from big to small. Reverse of this. We have to write the greatest number first, then the second greatest, then third greatest and the smallest number. Here in this example, which is greatest, children? Which number is greater? This number is greater. Yes, 51,971 is greater than these three numbers. Then second greatest number is, or greater number is 50,870. Then third greater is 49,566 and the smallest among all this is 48,431. Yes. So ascending is reverse of descending order. Exactly the reverse. The last number will come first, then the second last, then the third last, then the first number. Okay. Now we'll see the example from textbook. Let's see A1. Let's read the number first. This is 49,300. This is 46,400. This is 38,175. Now we'll compare these numbers and we'll put in, arrange in ascending and descending order. Compare the numbers in 10,000 place. Here 4 is there and here also 4 is there and here 3 is there. Yes, among these three numbers 4 and 3, 4 and 3, which is smallest? 3 is smaller than 4. So this number is smallest. because 3 is small in 10,000 place. Okay, and now we'll compare these two numbers. Here in 1000 place 9 is there and here 6 is there. Which is smaller? 6 is smaller. So this number is smaller than this. So this number is second smallest and this is the greatest. Let's write this number. 38,175 will come first, then 46,400, then 49,300. Okay, let's write this number in the descending order. Which is greater, children? 49,300 is greater. So write this number first, 49,300. Then second greater number is 46,400. Then third greater is 38,175. Okay. Now the remaining number you will arrange in ascending and descending order. Now see the next page. Review. Whatever you have learnt in this topic, they have given here all the exercise to solve. See, for example, write these numbers in standard form. We have to write these numbers in the standard form. And here we'll write the face value of the circle digit and here place value. And here we have to arrange the numbers, expand the number, expand the 5-digit numbers and write. And here we need to insert which is smaller, lesser and equal numbers. And here we need to arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. This exercise will solve in Google Meet classes, children. Okay, let's see this fifth one exercise. What it is? Form 10 5-digit numbers including the greatest and the smallest numbers using the digits 74125. Circle the greatest number and underline the smallest number. Using these 5 numbers we have to form any 10 5-digit numbers. Let's form 5-digit numbers, any 10 5-digit numbers using these numbers first. So the numbers are 7, 4, 1, 2 and 5. We'll form any 10 5-digit numbers. And in these we have to form one greatest number and one smallest number. Okay, let's write this. 7 in 10,000 place, 4 in 1000 place, 1 in 100 place, 2 in tens place and 5 in ones place. It is a 5-digit number. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This number is 74,125. Now form another 5-digit number. We'll exchange the numbers. We need to form different 5-digit numbers. Not all the numbers should be same. We'll change the numbers here. Here in 10,000 place we'll keep 4 and in 1000 place we'll write 7 and 1, 2, 5 same. This is 47,125. Both the numbers are different. This is 74,000. This is 47,000. Okay. Now in 10,000 place we'll write 5. Okay. 5. Then in 1000 place 7. Then 4, 1, 2. 4, 1, 2. So the number is 57,412. Now we'll write 4 in 10,000 place, 7 in 1000 place and 5 in hundreds, and these two numbers same, 47,512. Next number we'll write this number 74,000. In 100 place we'll write 1 only. We'll exchange the numbers in tens and ones place. We'll write 5 first, then 2. This is 74,152. This is 74,125. Both the numbers are different. Yes. Now we'll write the same number and 100 place number will change. In 1 is in 100 place. We'll write here 2 in 100 place and 15. 74,215. Next, we'll write the same and in 100 place we'll write 5. 512. 74,512. 74,521. All the numbers are different. You can form many numbers, children. Okay. Now we'll form the greatest and the smallest number using these 5 numbers. Greatest 5-digit numbers and smallest 5-digit number using this number. Now how to form smallest number? To form a smallest number, what we have to do? We have to arrange the numbers in the ascending order, means smallest to biggest. Here in this 1 is small, we'll write 1 in 1000 place. 2, next smallest is 2, then 4 is smaller, then 5, then 7 is greater. This is the smallest 5-digit numbers we have found using 74125. That is 12,457 is the smallest number. And the greatest number is reverse of this. 7 will write first, then 5, then 4, 2, 1. We have to write the numbers from big to small. Then we'll get biggest number. This is 75,421. Okay. Let's write these numbers here and we'll circle the greatest number and we'll underline the smallest number. Write the numbers now. 74,125. Next, 125. 57,412. 47,512. Then 74,152. Then 74,215. The next number 74,512. Then 74,521 and 12,457. This is the smallest number, so underline this number, and 75,421 is greatest, so circle this number. Children, you can form different 5-digit numbers also using these 5 digits. Okay, and the remaining part we'll solve in the Google Meet classes. Try to solve this, otherwise we'll solve in the Google Meet class. Okay, thank you.